So let me show you how to pair and connect your Razer Blackshark V2 Pro to an Android phone. So you can actually connect this without the dongle, okay? So you can just use Bluetooth. And to do that, simply go to your settings, your Bluetooth settings on the Android phone. So that's for most people going to be settings, connections, and then Bluetooth. So make sure Bluetooth is on and scanning for devices to connect to. Now you need to put these headphones in pairing mode. Now, first thing you want to do is turn them off if they are not off already, and then press and hold the power button until a blue light starts blinking. So it's going to turn on with a green light, and then if you continue holding, you'll see the blue light blinking. That means they're in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now on your Android phone, you can tap on scan so that it scans for devices again, and you can see our Razer Blackshark V2 has been detected. Select it. It's gonna be a pairing request. Tap on pair, and they're gonna get paired and connected. You can actually even see the battery percentage remaining. It's really that simple. Now you can just use them to listen to whatever. Thanks for watching, and good luck.